Today, I will share you how to make lava lamp at home.
Welcome to our DIY lava lamp tutorial. In this script, we will guide you through the steps of creating your own mesmerizing lava lamp using simple household items. Let's get started. Clear plastic or glass bottle, vegetable oil, water, food coloring, choose your favorite color, effervescent tablets, funnel, optional. For ease, fill the bottle with vegetable oil almost 3/4 full. Let the vegetable oil sit for a few minutes to allow any air bubbles to separate. Slowly pour water into the bottle, leaving some space at the top. Add a few drops of food coloring to the water. The color you choose will create the lava effect. Break an effervescent tablet into small pieces. Drop one piece into the bottle at a time and observe as the chemical reaction creates bubbles in the water and oil mixture. Add effervescent tablets as needed to create the lava lamp effect. Once the bubbles start to settle, tightly seal the bottle. Turn on a small light source underneath the bottle to enhance the glow of the lava lamp. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the enchanting display of colors and bubbles in your homemade lava lamp. Congratulations! You have successfully created your own lava lamp. Experiment with different colors and techniques to customize your lava lamp to your liking. Thank you for joining us in this delightful DIY project.